Hey guys.
Hey. We'll go wherever you want to go.
Yeah, there's room on that bench right at the end there.
Okay, and where are you going to go? You're going to sit on the...
I'm going wherever you want to go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Good. Where are we?
Fort Benton, Montana.
Yeah, and what are we about to do?
We are watching a parade.
That's right, we are. Well, not right now, but in a minute.
Well, I want to sit on...
Are your videos always a series of questions and answers?
No, you know why I do that? Is so that when I'm editing them, I know what day we're on.
Oh, it's a glorious day in Fort Benton, Montana. Clean air, blue sky,
Yep, day 6.
and a belt.
He kept his old contract.
Sarah has me going up through the walk.
It's from behind. I bet it's a heck of a view.
I'm sure it is.
Before the
Because we had
parade.
to go down and then...
Because I'm nice that way. Oh, candy! Emily, get some candy.
I'm gonna let the little kids have it.
What?
Here. Here. Your turn now.
These cigarette butts weren't part of that, were they?
No.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know how young they start here. So. This is
You're the only kid, so go for it.
This is a mixed message, teaching kids to run out into the middle of the street for candy. There's the Grand Marshal.
I wouldn't mind the next one.
Wow, look at that.
There's one right here, hon. One right here.
She's okay. So is this parade sponsored by a dentist?
There's all that.
Her story for this parade is going to be this woman that I didn't even know was forcing me to go pick up all that damn candy. Ah, here we go. Hey, they're not marching. They should be marching. Is this the Fort Benton High School band? No, this is a community band. Unless a few of them have flunked a whole lot. Cruising with Great Grams. A lot of the girls are wearing fake mustaches. Here's Abraham Lincoln and somebody else and somebody else. Oh, that's sharp. Woo! Yeah, or something even spiffier. Missouri Breaks Gang. Look at the back. Uh-oh. Gunfight. Oh, what's this?
one.
She's got a good spot. No other kids.
There's one over here. And there's one out there.
Oh, look what's coming up. The Sparkettes, little ballerinas. Oh, that's adorable. Help us get to Disney. I'm gonna help them. Yay! Woo! That's adorable. Yay! Whoops. Oh. Here, for Disney.
Oh, thank you.
You betcha. There, now I'm going to heaven. Uh-oh. That's not the side you want to be on.
Oh yeah.
That's from 1963. Oh, there we go.
Is that a Confederate flag?
Yes, it is. I don't think in this town anybody's seen this jacket.
It's incredible. Confederate
The Joan Albers. There's one, and 3 in the back. Woo! Of 03. I wonder if the class of 13 gets a float. I'm sure they do. How come we didn't get DQ coupon books? Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, is that what I think it is? Oh, he's dancing. Okay, good. Woohoo! Yamstad cousins. Ah. Oh, there's little tiny horses. That's adorable. And that looks to be the end of the parade. See? The Lily Hotel.
Where?
Over to your right.
Oh.
To your right.
Oh, here.
Tell the tale, girls. That's the only way they can fight.
Oh, skunk cars.
Uh-oh. Whoa! And it's a crash.
Woo!
summer celebration anniversary, we try to bring you a little glimpse of the Old West in this skit you're about to see. We hope you enjoy watching as much as we enjoy bringing it to you. It is not all fun and games, though. Your safety and ours is a very real concern, and these are real guns. Precautions are taken. I can't memorize, so. Precautions are taken and safety meetings are held before each skit, and all guns are checked. We never point a gun at one person directly because blanks can hurt. So, for you among the younger crowd, always have a responsible adult when you're handling a firearm. Today's skit is Madam Mustache and the Outlaws. Now, one other thing too, we'll do the raffle drawings after the skit. Okay, so hang on, let's begin. On the notorious block, there were several types of people trying to establish their characters and making a living in the wild new frontier. There were cowboys, bankers, outlaws, saloon owners, ladies of the night, proper ladies, Indians, and Chinese. Let the story begin.
You know, I think that's a good idea. Not many people out there, pretty quiet. I think we can pull it off right now. Sheriff's in yard or gone. Let's get a couple of girls together and try. Come on, girls.
Hey! Where are we going?
For a
I'm
little
gonna do a
while.
little dance.
Oh, the cross doors a bit small. For some of the bigger ladies. My
Oh, it's fun.
oh, it's just a lovely day.
So nice. Lord. Afternoon, Sheriff. Deputy. Afternoon,
Come on over. And here's the ladies.
Ladies. We like ladies. Well, you guys stay out here while we go make a little withdrawal. This is a hold up. Get your hands up. Tie him up. This is that goal. Now you guys behave yourselves. Stay in here. You won't get hurt.
Oh, here you are. You're back.
Now let's
Hey, did you get some money?
We got a little bit.
we did okay.
Oh, come on, ladies.
Ladies.
Got some people to help you over here. Come on.
Afternoon, Sheriff. Yeah,
Hi, guys. 5 o'clock. Right over there. Come along.
we'll have so much.
We will. Come on.
Well, that was easy. We should have done that a long time ago.
That was so easy.
What, you guys? Just took some money out. Gosh, eh?
Come on in.
Come on, let's have some drinks.
Set them up at the bar. We're rich men.
Boys, video. Let's get on the boys.
Good night, Irene.
I got robbed. I got robbed by some cowboys. They're wearing cowboy hats. I got a cowboy hat. Mustaches. Got a mustache. Can you untie me? All I know is they were thirsty. They were thirsty.
You ladies stay here. Now we can drink.
Hey, your truck's in the bar there. Need to talk to you for a minute.
You talking to us?
Yeah, the bank teller just come out all tied up. We need to talk to you guys.
Why, Sheriff, I don't think you like me very much anymore.
I never did from the beginning.
That's the guy right there.
That's one?
No. Not
That's
us.
him.
That's him?
No. Not us.
No, I think it is. Come on out. Come on out, talk about
We
it.
ain't coming out there. There's more of us than there are of you.
You're not taking our money.
It's not.
We got something to do out of there. Really? What do you got? We'll go get the whole house out of there. That'll clean them out of there. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Go get it.
We believe that. Get out of here.
Good morning, you.
Get out of here. Just go away.
Uh-oh.
Got a couple of meals you want us? Hey, hey, you in the bars, take a look. You got one warning.
Uh-oh.
Last chance to come out.
They do have a cannon. Maybe we better take cover.
Last chance.
Get behind the table. You better hide. Come on, you. Good, sit there.
Uh-oh.
Couple more seconds.
There she goes.
Okay, one more second.
Uh-oh.
They killed Dudley.
They killed Dudley.
Dudley.
All right. Boys ready to come out now? Let's go clean out.
Introduce CPR on Dudley.
We warned ya. You guys
You'll never take our gold record.
That's true, okay. There's one still alive that can go to jail. Come on, you low down,
No.
Get there, Rick.
Dudley.
Here you go, buddy. That's all.
And roasting. We're gonna leave you there for quite some time. You will get back to work now. This show is over.
Have a mustache. Woo!
Okay, guess who got a mustache look this year? You all wow! We had a little problem with our mic there, but anyway, I want you to meet our youngest little guy, Jude. Come on out here.
Yay!
Take him out, Jude. Take him out. There you go. This is our youngest Missouri Brick Skate. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, where are we going?
Fireworks.
Fireworks and the what's it called?
We're still on day 6.
On the levee.
No, what's the day called?
Oh,
Summer days,
celebration.
summer
summer
celebration.
celebration.
Yeah, that's
and This is
right.
Fort Benton on the levee.
Yeah, it is indeed.
Okay, and we have fireworks.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yep. Getting ready.
The mosquitoes are out there.
Yeah, the mosquitoes are out.
Oh yes, they are.
They can't wait for dinner.
Perfect timing. Oh, look at.
Go down that way a little bit.
He's in the area.
There we go. Here. There we go.
Holy!
Satellite booze.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
They got a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
You see the fireworks at Disney.
Got it.
You sure did.
Beautiful crowd, put your hands in the air. Hey, teacher, leave us kids alone. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall. Come on, put your hands together for us. We don't need no education. We don't need no more control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom.
I have to take a picture of this guy, the bass player. He looks exactly like my Spanish teacher, Mr. Gloria.
Oh, yeah?
So I'm